In this video, I'm going to show you how Cash App works for minors and how you can get started if you're under 18. By the way, if you run a business, Cash App probably isn't the best option for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. Cash App has rules in place for younger users, and the process requires approval from an adult who already has an active Cash App account. You must be at least 13 years old to use the app, and minors can only access certain features once an adult approves their account. To begin, open the Cash App on your phone and tap the card icon, which is the second one from the bottom left. On the next screen, select Get Free Cash Card. Here, you can pick the style of your card, or, if you want a personalized look, click on the card and select Personalized Card. You can even add your own signature or emojis, and you have the option to enable or disable the Cash App tag. When you're happy with your design, tap Done, and then Order Card. Next, enter the address where you want your cash card delivered and tap Next. If the app says the card is unavailable for your account, simply tap Use Anyway to proceed. Then, enter your full name and date of birth. Again, you must be at least 13 years old to use Cash App. After entering your information, tap Next to continue. Now comes the approval step. Since you're under 18, you need approval from an adult with an active Cash App account. This could be a parent, sibling, or another trusted adult. Tap Request Approval, enter their name, and send the request. The adult will receive a notification and must approve your account before you can start using it. Once everything is approved, your account is fully functional and you can start using your cash card for everyday transactions. That's how Cash App works for minors and how you can get started if you're under 18. By following these steps carefully, you can safely use Cash App while staying within the rules for younger users. Cash App is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, AirWallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Cash App offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed AirWallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.